In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you use Adobe Acrobat Reader regularly for reading PDF files or working with documents, keeping it updated is crucial. Not only does updating ensure you have the latest features and improvements, but it also provides important security updates that protect your files and personal data from potential vulnerabilities. First things first, let's open up Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. This should be quite straightforward. You can find the application by searching for it in your Start menu or using a shortcut if you've got it on your desktop. Once you've got the program open and ready to go, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu bar. In the top left corner, you should see the word Help. Click on it. This Help menu is your gateway to finding all sorts of useful Adobe functions, but today we'll focus on checking for updates. Under the Help menu, scroll through the list and find the option that says Check for Updates. Click on it. This action will prompt Adobe Acrobat Reader to perform a quick check to see if any new updates are available for download. If there are no updates available, the software will notify you that your program is up to date. However, if an update is available, it's essential to move forward with downloading and installing it. On a Windows computer, you'll see a prompt to download the available update. Clicking this will begin the download process. At this point, Adobe will guide you step by step through the update installation with on-screen instructions. These prompts will generally ask you for permission to perform the installation and may vary slightly depending on your operating system's security settings or any custom configurations you might have. It's important to follow these instructions carefully, making sure to read any prompts that pop up. Once the installation is complete, you may need to restart Adobe Acrobat Reader to activate the changes. It might also prompt you to restart your computer, ensuring everything is applied correctly. Being patient during this process is beneficial, especially if you're dealing with larger updates, which might take a bit more time to fully apply. Keeping your Adobe Acrobat Reader up to date is a small but critical task that helps maintain the efficiency and security of the software, ensuring you're always working with the latest tools Adobe has to offer. By doing this regularly, you enable a better, safer user experience, which is something everyone can appreciate, whether you're working with PDFs casually or professionally. So, next time you open Acrobat Reader, remember to take these few minutes to check for updates, ensuring you're always up to speed.